Hey, so I'm gonna sing Hallelujah. It's got an accompaniment that I found on YouTube, of course. But yeah, so enjoy. I hope it doesn't suck too bad. Heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof. Her beauty on the moonlight overthrew ya. She tied you to a kitchen chair. She broke your throat and she cut your hair. And from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Baby, I've been here before. I know this room, I've walked this floor. I used to live alone before I knew ya. I've seen your flag on the marble arch. Love is not a victory march. It's a cold and it's so broken. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. There was a time you let me know what's really going on below, but now you never show it to me, do ya? And remember when I moved in you, the holy dark was moving too, and every breath we drew was hallelujah. Maybe there's a God above, and all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot at someone who outdrew ya. It's not a cry you can hear at night. It's not somebody who's seen the light. So cold and it's so broken. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Okay, let's see how bad that was.